Hey fam, and welcome back to our channel, where we share tips and tricks for self-care and personal grooming. In today's video, we'll be discussing an essential topic that often gets overlooked: how to smell good as a man. A pleasant scent can leave a lasting impression, boost your confidence, and enhance your overall image. So let's dive into some simple yet effective tips to help you smell fantastic every day. First thing, good personal hygiene forms the foundation of smelling good. Start with regular showers or baths using a high-quality body wash or soap. Pay extra attention to areas like underarms, feet, and groin, as these areas tend to produce more sweat and odor. Use an antibacterial soap to eliminate odor-causing bacteria. After showering, make sure to thoroughly dry yourself to prevent any lingering moisture. Secondly, a deodorant or antiperspirant is a must-have in your grooming routine. Choose a product that suits your needs and preferences. Antiperspirants help control sweat by blocking sweat glands, while deodorants focus on neutralizing odor. Look for options that are long-lasting, gentle on the skin, and have a scent that complements your body chemistry. Don't forget to apply it after showering and reapply as needed throughout the day. Now let's talk about fragrances. A well-chosen cologne or perfume can enhance your overall scent. When selecting a fragrance, consider your personal style, occasion, and the season. Visit a perfume store and try different scents on your skin to see how they react with your body chemistry. Remember, less is more when it comes to applying fragrances. A couple of sprays on pulse points, such as the wrists, neck, and chest, are sufficient. Moreover, your choice of clothing and how you care for them can also impact how you smell. Make sure to wear clean clothes daily. Regularly wash your clothes using a good quality detergent and fabric softener to keep them fresh and free from any unpleasant odors. Pay attention to items like socks and underwear, as they can harbor bacteria and odors. Additionally, consider using scented dryer sheets or sachets in your wardrobe to infuse a pleasant fragrance. Smelling good isn't just about body odor, it's also about having fresh breath. Maintain good oral hygiene by brushing your teeth at least twice a day, using a fluoride toothpaste, and flossing regularly. Don't forget to clean your tongue as well, as it can harbor bacteria that cause bad breath. To freshen your breath throughout the day, carry sugar-free mints or gum with you. Finally, our diet and hydration also play a vital role in how we smell. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help reduce body odor. Avoid foods with strong odors such as garlic and onions, as these can seep through your pores. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, as it helps flush out toxins and keeps your body odor-free. And there you have it, our guide on how to smell good as a man. Remember, good personal hygiene, choosing the right deodorant, wearing clean clothes, selecting the perfect fragrance, maintaining oral hygiene, and following a balanced diet are key to smelling fresh and pleasant. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine, and you'll leave a positive and lasting impression wherever you go. If you found this video helpful,